I have joined a lot of racing events last season, and one of my favorite things to do was racing the underground trails. For those of you who don't know, the Underground Racing League is done with the Ride Hermes app on your phone. You can race anytime you want, alone or with friends. Repeat your tracks as many times you want. I enjoyed it so much that I even managed to win the EOL Underground racing season last year. So now I decided to offer something similar in my region. I'm introducing VX Underground Racing League right here in the Istra and Karst region of Slovenia, where I'm from. The trails of VXwheel Racing League will mostly be in Slovenia, but not only in Slovenia. In the upcoming 2025 season, we will have trails in Italy and Croatia as well. And not only that, we will have 2 trails crossing the border between Slovenia and Italy. How cool is that? I'm riding one of the trails in the league right now. It's a cool one. For those of you who don't know where Slovenia is, now's your chance to find out. Nope, I'm not talking about Slovakia. Slovenia is a different country. It's in South Central Europe and the Istra and Karst region. It's a tight coastal region in between Italy and Croatia. Slovenia has about 2 million people and looks like a chicken, but don't count on chicken lanes, because we're gonna have a full chicken hill climb endurance race instead. You will experience extremely chunky rocky trails, forest trails, lots of gravel, sorry for the gravel sound, as well as smooth and fast trails. There's gonna be something cool for everybody. 2025 season will start in the beginning of June, and you'll have a chance to race it all the way to the end of September. So you have full 4 months of time to visit this beautiful region and experience these beautiful trails anytime you want. And if you don't want to do it alone, check out Istra Float Weekends. It's an event I'm organizing in this region on which we will cover all of the trails from this season. So you will have a fully guided tour through all 14 trails in 3 days. Spots for the guided weekends are extremely limited, so be sure to reserve your spot on time. Everything is completely free and for now fully sponsored by the VXwheel project. Best 3 riders after the season ends will get prizes and trophies, but all of you who will join will experience beautiful trails and beautiful views. So join us for the VX Underground Racing League and season 2025. Yes, you will race against me as well, but don't worry, because I have a small advantage creating the trails and knowing them best. If I get one of the first 3 spots, the prize and the trophy will go to the 4th place as well. The diversity of the trails is just insane, but don't expect them to be easy. There's lots of rocks, roots and chunky stuff. You can join on any one wheel, while DIY is highly recommended. Did I forget about something? Maybe. Feel free to ask. If you want to be a sponsor of this event, send prizes to the riders or anything, hit me up as well. But most importantly, check out Ride Hermes app and the VX Underground Racing League and join us on this unrideable rocky terrain that... Oh no, who decided to make a trail out of this? They're just horrible. I'm not gonna ask you to ride that. As much as I like discovering new trails, this process is honestly a bit horrible sometimes, when you end up in places where you need to walk back, or when your favorite trail ends up being unrideable at the end. I've started creating these trails about a year ago, and they already destroyed 2 of my trails. they just bulldozed over them with some construction zone. There is always a possibility that I will change something, but let's keep this season at 14, and if there's gonna be a trail that's gonna be ruined during the season, I'm gonna just exchange it with another one. Not much I can do about that. This trail right here is full of rocks, super technical, super fun, but you just cannot ride it fast. Make sure to spread the stoke and put beautiful trails in your area on the Ride Hermes app as well, so we can all enjoy them. We're approaching another nice view just behind these trees, maybe, just maybe, but it doesn't matter because you're gonna be here and you're gonna see it. Please wear safety gear and respect the locals. If you see people walking on the trail, please slow down and let them pass. You can have another try later. So safety first and race at your own risk. Alright, I have enough. Just please subscribe and show up here. See you. This is the Kokos Loop Trail. It's fun, it's rocky, but it's flowy as well. And all you have to remember, you have to take the first possible right and the only first possible right available, not to miss it, otherwise you'll end up somewhere far away. Here we go, first possible right, you take that and you transition from going up to going down. This is a very fun part, downhill with rocks and tree branches.